Hello friends! I'm so excited to introduce you to a wonderful product today. Excited? It features a modern, minimalist and distinctly premium design. It truly feels special. And the price point? You'll be pleasantly surprised it's much more affordable than you'd imagine for something of this caliber. Curious? It's also incredibly versatile. It's a perfect fit for your office, a lovely addition to your home, or a fantastic gift. All the detailed information is in the description. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Farewell for now.